In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a cup and handle pattern on a chart. This is a useful pattern to know if you want to mark up charts more clearly and estimate a potential price target in a simple visual way. The cup and handle is typically used to identify a rounded base, followed by a smaller pullback, and drawing it correctly helps you understand the full structure before planning your analysis. To begin, open the left toolbar on your charting platform and look for the Patterns drop-down menu. This is where pattern-based drawing tools are usually grouped. Once you open that menu, select the Cup and Handle Pattern tool if it's available in your region or in your version of the platform. If you don't see that exact tool, don't worry. You can still create the same structure manually by combining the Arc tool with the Trendline tool. That gives you a very similar result and still lets you map the pattern accurately. Next, click and drag across the chart to define the main cup formation. Start from the initial high on the left side, then move downward through the rounded low, and continue back upward to the right side where price returns near the prior high. The key here is to capture a smooth, rounded shape rather than a sharp V-shaped reversal. The cup should look balanced and gradual because that rounded base is what gives the pattern its name. Once the cup base is in place, click adjacent to it to draw the handle. This handle is the smaller downward channel that forms after the right side of the cup. Keep it relatively short and modest compared with the full cup. In most cases, the handle should slope slightly downward or move sideways with a mild pullback rather than collapsing sharply. This part of the pattern represents a brief pause before a possible breakout. After that, place your price target line by measuring the depth of the cup. To do this, take the distance from the cup's lip, which is the upper edge of the pattern, down to its lowest point. Then project that same distance upward from the breakout area to create your target line. This gives you a practical visual estimate of where price could move if the pattern completes successfully. Take a moment to adjust the placement so everything lines up cleanly with the chart. A neat drawing makes the pattern easier to review later and easier to explain if you're sharing your analysis. And that's how to draw a cup and handle pattern step by step on your chart.